Good morning, everybody, and welcome to kindergarten. This morning, we're going to go ahead and we are going to play a game to get to know the teacher. I'm Mrs. Diaz, and what we're going to do this morning is I'm going to put up 5 fingers, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we're going to do is I'm going to have a letter on each finger, okay? And what we're going to do is each letter, I'm going to tell you one thing about myself that begins with that letter, something that I love. So I'm going to give you 5 things that I love. So starting with our thumb, we're going to go ahead and do R, okay? R makes that sound. One thing I love doing that starts with R is running. I love to run in races and to run with my mom. I love to run in my town. This is something I love to do, and I love to buy running gear and running shoes. I have a really good time doing it, and it's something that helps me get out all the stress. Okay, let's go to that pointer finger. Another thing that I love begins with the letter F. F makes that sound. Something I love that begins with the letter F is my family. I have 3 kids and 1 husband, and their names are Will, Brylan, Zayn, and Traven. And then me, and that makes 5 in my family. And I love my family so much. Something that we love to do is at dinner time, whenever we are talking about our day, we love to talk about a high of the day and a low of the day. So that way we know what is the greatest thing that happened in your day and what's something that wasn't so great that happened in your day. All right, let's go to our middle finger right here. The next letter that we're going to do is letter C. C makes the sound K, K. Something that I love that begins with the letter C would be coffee. I love coffee. I drink it every morning. I love collecting coffee mugs, and it's something I like to do when maybe my husband and I might go out on a date. Is we like to go find new coffee shops. If we're traveling, we like to go find different places that serve coffee. It's something that I'm really passionate about. I love the way it tastes. It doesn't matter if it's black or if there's creamer. I love coffee. All right, our next one, we are going to do the letter O. O makes the sound ah. And something that I love that begins with the letter O would be the ocean. I really like going to the beach. I like going out on the boat. Our family owns a boat, and so we get to go out to the ocean quite a bit. I like to go fishing with my family. We like to do water sports. We like to go skiing. We like to go kneeboarding. It doesn't matter if it's way out in the ocean or if we're just on the beach relaxing in the sand. We love the ocean. I love the salt water. And then the last thing, we're going to go to this pinky right here, and we are going to do letter T on that pinky. And the thing that I love that begins with the letter T would be teaching. I love to teach, and I mostly love to teach all you kindergartners. I love teaching because I love hanging out with you guys all day, and I love all the different things that we get to learn together. And it is so much fun to do all these different activities and crafts with you guys. And so I'm looking forward to a great year learning more about you and you learning about me. So what we could do is we can then take R, F, C, O, and T, and you can tell me 5 things about yourself that begin with R, F, C, O, and T. Things about you, maybe that you love, or maybe some people in your family. And so we're going to go ahead and get started, because now you know all about me, Mrs. Diaz, and now I want to know all about you, my great students. All right, let's go ahead and get started.